In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quiz to your Wix website. This process is a fantastic way to engage your visitors, whether you're looking to entertain, educate, or just gather some crucial insights from your audience. So let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, you'll want to make your way over to the Wix website editor. If you haven't logged in already, simply head to Wix's website, log into your account, and select the site you want to work on. Once you're on the dashboard, find and click the Edit Site button to enter the Wix website editor. Once you're immersed in the vibrant world of your website, look over to the left side of your screen for the menu, and you should see an option labeled Add Apps. Go ahead and click on that. Wix's App Market will spring up, presenting you with a variety of apps to explore. The App Market is essentially a treasure trove of plugins and tools that can enhance the functionality of your site. Now, inside the App Market, you'll want to make use of the search functionality. Locate the search bar and type in the word quiz. As you type, you'll start seeing some suggestions appear. You're on the lookout for an app called Quizelle Product Quiz and Form. This app is particularly popular for its ease of use and comprehensive features. It will help you create quizzes that look great and serve their purpose efficiently. Upon finding the correct app, you're going to see a button labeled Add to Site. Click on it. You'll be prompted with something similar to a confirmation message, ensuring that you want to install this app onto your site. And here's a critical step. Read the terms and then click on Agree and Add. This action will officially add the quiz application to the infrastructure of your website. Once the app has been successfully added, navigate back to your site's editing screen. You'll notice an addition to your page. This is where your new app is located. Click on the quiz app icon or widget. However, it's important to note here that to fully utilize the quiz application and unlock all its features, you will need to have a Wix Premium plan. Having a premium plan comes with additional benefits that can augment your website's capabilities. So consider it a worthwhile investment if you're looking to truly enhance visitor engagement through quizzes. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now create engaging quizzes that will captivate your audience right from your Wix website. Whether you use it for feedback, fun, or both, adding a quiz is a great way to make your site interactive and more appealing to visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing!